Welcome once again to Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Looking at the board, we have a problem. The total surface area of a hemisphere is 75 pi centimeter square. We are asked to find the radius. So let us peruse. Now, the formula for the surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. So from the question, they say that the total surface area of the hemisphere is equal to 75 pi centimeter square. It means that the area is 75 pi. Remember, our interest is to look for the area, the radius, sorry. So at this point, what we will do is to divide both sides by 3 pi, so that the radius square will stand alone. So if we do that, it simply means that radius will become 75 pi all over 3 pi. So on that note, pi will cancel pi. 75 divided by 3 will give us 25. So it simply means that r square is equal to 25. Now for us to get r, we need to take the square root of both sides. If we do that, it simply means that the square root will cancel this square and we'll now have the square root of 25. So therefore, r will be equal to the square root of 25. The square root of 25 is 5. So therefore, r is equal to 5 as our final answer. So it will be 5 centimeters. Alright? Thanks for watching. Do well to follow the page, Mr. Hallelujah Maths class.